light on here, I'm going to show you how I do a real nice and fairly easy chicken pot pie. And I should have heated my pan up beforehand. Anyway, I'm putting some oil in there. We'll let that heat or that pan get up to temp. And in the meantime, I'll tell you, all this consists of is chicken. I'm going to, saute my chicken up, some mixed vegetables, cream of chicken soup, and some seasonings. And I use a double crust because I like a bottom crust in my pot pies. I think that's wonderful. And then I'm going to, of course, set my oven to 350. So let that heat up. I'll be right back. I am back, and we're going to put this chicken right in there. It doesn't take too long for the pan to heat up. Anyway, where is my spatula? Saute that up a little bit. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And of course, excuse me, I'm going to put a little garlic powder in it and a little onion powder. That makes it wonderful. Because there's onions and everything in my mixed vegetables, so get that sauteed up really good. Let that saute, and I'm going to get my pie plate out. And I'm just going to mix everything right in there. And just let that heat up real good. Because the chicken will finish cooking in the oven as it's baking. It's going to bake in there for about a good 45 minutes or so. I just want that warmed and heated up and the chicken browned up a little bit, and it'll be wonderful. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I'm coughing over. Wash my hands. All right. This is doing good. Okay, now I'm going to put my cream of chicken soup in here with this. And I probably won't need to add any more liquid to it because of the vegetables were frozen. So they'll give off a little bit of juice, and the chicken will give off some juice. So it'll probably even right out. That's going to be beautiful. Just a little more pepper in there. Don't need any more salt because the soup is quite salty. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to call that good right there. I'm going to bring you guys, I'm going to turn the camera off. I'll be right back. I'm back. And what I'm going to do here is just dump all this right into my pie shell. Yikes, that's a little warm. Okay. All right. Oh, that's going to be so pretty and nice. Okay. Absolutely. All right, now I got my pie crust that I put together and made earlier. I'm just going to, and it's fairly warm, or fairly cold, so I'm just going to fold it really easily on here. And this seals it all in. My oven's preheating. I'm not catching a cold. I don't know what got into my throat. Just all of a sudden I had a coughing spell. Okay, so see how that is now? I'm just going to go through and I'm going to crimp my edges. Nothing fancy. It's mainly so everything seals up nicely in here. All right, now with that, I think I took my little knife away, but with that, I'm going to put a couple little slits right in here. Let the steam escape. And there you have it. That is going to go in my oven for about 45 minutes. And when it's all done, I'll bring it back and I'll show you how pretty it is. So there you have it. We'll be right back. Hi friends, my pot pie is done. Isn't that gorgeous? And it was very easy to make. Baked for about 50 minutes. Simple, budget friendly. And I'm going to go and have dinner because this is lovely. There you go, friends. Thanks for watching.